Hope you're having a fantastic 4th of July, and thanks for logging on to your Aggieland Carpet One forecast. I'm meteorologist Crystal Plone. So far, so good in terms of our forecast for today. Seeing a few scattered showers here and there earlier this afternoon, but at the moment, we're just seeing warm and humid conditions. It's 89 degrees in Bryan College Station, 90 degrees in Centerville and in Crockett, and 86 degrees in Belleville. Normal high temperature for the day is 94 degrees. We were just short of that throughout your day today, but during the rest of the weekend and into next week, we do have a possibility of seeing temperatures that warm. But factoring in our humidity, which is currently at 57%, and it feels like the upper 90s and the low 100s across the Brazos Valley. Feels like 97 degrees here in Brazos County, but it feels like 102 degrees up in Crockett and in Trinity. So if you are headed outside tonight for some fireworks or anything like that, it might be a good idea to bring a water bottle just in case. Now, winds are going to be a little bit breezy as well out of the south, between 5 to 15 miles per hour. They gusted upwards of 25 miles per hour earlier this afternoon, but throughout the evening they're going to calm down just a little bit. Again, if you are headed out tonight to see some fireworks, things should be pretty nice. Temperatures in the low 80s with winds out of the south-southeast between 5 to 15 miles per hour. Mostly things will be partly cloudy, and again, it will be on the warm and humid side, so another fantastic night to head outside. Now, here's what radar looks like right now. We did see a few showers in some spots earlier this afternoon, but as you notice through the radar loop, those showers and thunderstorms that have popped up are starting to die off, so that's going to be the theme overnight tonight. We did have enough moisture to see some heavy rain in some spots, but overall, we're not going to see that rain for much longer. Across the state of Texas, that is your main theme. We did see showers in other portions of the southern part of the state of Texas, but those showers have died off since then, and that's what we're going to continue to see across the state of Texas. Overnight tonight, we'll see partly cloudy skies and temperatures in the low to mid 70s, and then through your day tomorrow, we do have a 20% chance of rain in the forecast, but it is looking possible that we're not going to see any rain whatsoever. Anywhere that did see some rain today, though, does have a chance to see some patchy fog tomorrow morning just because of the amount of humidity and moisture still in the air. But through your day on Sunday, it looks like we'll remain mostly dry, so if you're continuing your celebrations into Sunday, things look very nice and very similar to what we saw today. Now, this is a segment I like to call Catterday Night. I like to feature a viewer cat picture every Saturday night at 6 o'clock, and since I've gotten so many pictures, it looks like I'm going to be doing this again at 10, so tune in to see which cat is going to be featured then. But for now, this is Pete, and it was sent in by Rick. Thank you, Rick, for sending in this picture, and if you want your cat to be featured in a Catterday Night picture, then send it in to Plone, P-L-O-E-H-N, at kbtx.com, or you can tweet it at me at CrystalKBTX. Before your evening forecast, temperatures will get down into those upper 70s by the time we get to 10 or 11 o'clock tonight. When you wake up tomorrow morning, we'll see those mid 70s, and it will feel a little bit humid, and then small rain chances stick around for your Sunday. The good news, though, looks like throughout the rest of the week, or throughout next week, I should say, temperatures will stay warm in the low to mid 90s, and then overnight into the morning hours, temperatures will again be a little bit humid in those mid to upper 70s. So not a bad forecast, especially for your 4th of July, and hopefully you have fun celebrating.